Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making use of some of my Thanksgiving leftovers, utilizing the turkey stock and some of the turkey that I had left over, and I'll be making a turkey pozole. To start off the recipe, I've heated up 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a Dutch oven, and in here I've got 2 medium onions that have been roughly cubed and 2 poblano peppers that have been cut into 1/2-inch strips. These are going to saute for about 5 minutes or until the onions start to turn translucent. Once the peppers and onions have softened up, I'll be adding in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of oregano, and 2 tablespoons of cumin. And I'll let these saute for about a minute or so, or just until the garlic becomes fragrant. Next in goes 2 cans of white hominy, 2 cans of cannellini beans that I've rinsed and drained, 4 cups of diced turkey, 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies, and 2 quarts of turkey stock. If the turkey stock is not enough to completely cover all the ingredients, then add in about a cup of water. I think this is going to be okay. I'm also going to add in a good pinch of salt, and then I'll adjust that later if it needs more, and some pepper. Now that the soup has come up to a boil, I've gone ahead and lowered my heat down to low, and I'll allow this to simmer for an hour so that the flavors can marry together with a lid on. The turkey pozole is done, and I really wish they'd already invented smell-o-vision because it smells absolutely incredible, and I definitely can't wait to dive in and try it out. This is a really lovely little soup. There's a nice little smokiness from the cumin in here and a surprising bit of heat, probably from the chili powder I used. I really like the cannellini beans in it. They add a tiny little bit of creaminess into it. And the hominy adds just this nice little pop of texture. Overall, this is an amazing use of Thanksgiving leftovers and something I will probably be making again next year. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.